I've just had a massive curry, so I will keep this short and sweet. Hi everyone, today I want to show you a tutorial on how you can make a quick thumbnail using Instagram stories, and it's so fast. So last week I'd spent hours and hours making a YouTube video, and when it came to uploading I completely forgot I needed a thumbnail. That's something I didn't prepare for. As good practice, I'm trying to make a YouTube video every week, but I didn't have that extra time to make a thumbnail. So I decided to use Instagram stories to make my thumbnail for the last video. It looks like this, and today I'll show you how we can make one. So to begin with, you're going to need a few pictures that you're happy with and that you want to use. And for me, these are the pictures here. So I'd go to Instagram, I'd go to stories, and I'd choose layout. That's where you can add one or more picture, and I'll just change the option to free. I've already changed my pictures to portrait, so sideways, so it can fit the framing, and I'm just going to choose them now. So if I can find, where are they? Here we are. So 1, 2, and 3. So I've chosen my pictures, and what you can do is kind of zoom in and frame them exactly how you want. I think I'm happy with that. So you press OK with the tick, and now you can add text. Photo shoot and chill. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Now, if your background is quite busy and it's not got a plain color, you can add a color behind your text to make it more readable and recognizable. So for me, that looks quite busy, and I'm going to add a black background. Instagram has these tools that allow you to align your text and make it quite symmetrical with the framing. So I'm just going to bring mine to the top, and I'm looking for it to be in the middle. So I think about there, the blue line has shown up, but I might just make it a bit bigger. Knowing this is a thumbnail, you want it to stand out. I think below, actually, yeah. So I think that works. Now, I didn't take this step, but you can also add pictures or a logo. So I'd go to Google, I'd find a PNG file of the YouTube logo. I'd just hold it and press copy. Now when I go back to Instagram, I can actually paste that, and it won't have a white background. The checkered image behind it shows that it's transparent. So I'm just going to make this quite small. Again, I didn't use this, but you can use it if you want. You can also draw as well. I think it can get quite fiddly, so if you can use an iPad, I'd recommend that, but maybe something to add emphasis on your logo. And I think that's okay for now. So if you're done, just press save, go to your camera roll, and just remember, YouTube won't rotate your image for you, so you would have to do that in camera or on your laptop before you upload. So I'm just going to edit, press rotate, and there we have it. That is it, and that's the thumbnail. I think we made that in like less than 5 minutes. Definitely was useful for me, and hopefully it's useful for you as well. So with the file size, it will be small and you'll have no issues uploading it to YouTube. Hopefully this video has been useful to you, as it literally saved me so much time. Until next time, thanks for watching.